Good morning, everyone. It's me, Kelvin. Thank you for joining into our live stream. Sorry for the late start over here. So today I'll be starting from, let's look into the market first, okay? Malaysia market, because later on I'm going to look into Hang Seng Index. Hang Seng market open should be around 9:30. Okay, so as you can see, this one has already, this is just, what do you call this? A benchmark on how I trade Hang Seng Index. So I think Hang Seng today, there will be a very huge price fluctuation. So it'll be interesting. Let's see what is the new Nasdaq look to move higher, but Hang Seng struggles. Yes, of course, Hang Seng struggle. Move up so much. Okay, doesn't matter. All right, so let's look at the market. And of course, if you want to find out more on how I trade Hang Seng Index and you want to trade like US market or maybe Hong Kong market, do let me know, because we have the account opening. Okay, so you can do the account opening and then start this trading. Okay, so for me wise, every one of you will be following me. If let's say you open the account under me, then I'll share with you guys on how to trade the Hang Seng Index using CBBC, okay, which can generate high returns from there. If you want to know more, you can take a look into some the videos that we have uploaded yesterday. All right. Okay, so let's see. Market opens at, excuse me. And if you want to find out more about like how M Plus online, the trading account is like, you can go to the videos that we have done previously, so you can have a good look at it. All right. Right now, market, you will see there's a lot of trading opportunity in Malaysia market, short-term trading. So if you want to find out more, you want to trade like short-term, then it will be a good chance for you to look at it. Maybe let me just put my QR code so you guys can see. Can scan my QR code. How do I change it again? Oh, thanks for joining. For those who come to support during the Invest Fair, appreciate it. Thank you very much. Oh, no, not this one. Okay, every one of you, you can see there is a QR code on my right side. Okay, so if you want to open a trading account, you can scan the QR code over there. All right, so let's take a look into the market. Start off with the top active plays and see. Okay, EduTech must be a new listed one, right? Yeah, just oh, it was, why suddenly it bounced up like this? Scorpion, Top glove market, the past few days the price have a price retrace. Let's see. 1 week, still showing no sign of price up yet, so I have to wait. The rebound, doing the rebound, nothing much to look at it now. All are going down. Let's see. Clock point just listed right now, price is down. No, another first day price down, nothing much to see. And now let's see my beloved SEAL. Still no sign yet. It should be starting soon. Okay, this one is coming back from its, sometimes when I look into the Malaysian market, I find it so not so exciting. Later on around 9:30, I'll show you guys how to trade the Hang Seng Index. Okay. Maybe I'll just show you guys on how to trade the Hang Seng Index first, because first thing is I'm gonna roughly gauge what is the price movement of that day. All right. So yesterday I will use the futures contract over here after market. So the fluctuation about like 400 plus point, which is quite high. So I expect today Hang Seng Index will have around like 413. Okay. 413, okay, around this area. So it will fluctuate around here. So let's see whether they will continue from here. Let's wait. Noise movement. Yesterday we made a few trades. I'll upload my CBBC trading log daily after market, so you guys can take a look. So it depends whether it goes up or down. So the main factors to know, because yesterday was a bit exceptional where the price are marked up and then I press it back down lower. But if you look into the overall price movement, so what we can see is that the price are not marking higher, so I think most likely they will have a price down today. But we don't judge on it like this. So the best way we can just judge it on when the market is open. Let's see where the price is moving to. First 30 minutes, I will check the price movement and see how the price is like, which direction are they going to set in. If let's say the direction is within until 10 o'clock is set to goes down, then it goes down. If let's say it's set to goes up, then it goes up. So I'm not using any indicators over here, just looking at the price movement. All right. So in this case, usually if in one direction, then they will just mark up into one direction. I'll show it to you. Okay, for example, if let's say the price today it opens and then it goes down and then mark higher, and then this is where the 10 o'clock is. This is where I will enter into a put, okay, or a bear contract. So the price will just goes down and down and down and down. Okay, and it might goes down for this much. I'm not sure, but let's see how. So if it's like this, then it's easy. Then I'll just hold it for throughout the whole day, and then I can just end my job and do my other stuff. So it depends. Sometimes it will goes like this, where they goes down and then mark up and then goes down, and then I start to move up higher, then stay around this area, and then the price start to goes down and then move back up higher. So it depends on the market. These big boys, what do they want? Okay, so like I say, don't try not to put any expectation into any of the trades. If let's say you put expectation, then it will be bad. Because if you put expectation, then you're expecting something, and then when the price is moved not according to your direction, then you start to think like it's difficult for you to make decision, because your expectation and reality both are fighting each other. So that's what happened to me yesterday when I do my trades. If you have watched my latest upload trading log, this is where I did a bad mistake, where around 1 o'clock, then I start to think like, okay, the price might move back up higher. I'm thinking like maybe the price move back up higher. So that is my expectation, not the market. So, but when it comes down to here, it's actually showing us that they have no intention to mark up. It's going into a downtrend. So that's where I cut loss on my bull contract. then I enter into bear contract. So when I enter into a bear contract, a sudden price up like this and then shake me off. The reason is because this whole stretch over here, I was not expecting it down. I was expecting the price down to maybe reach this area and then it start to maybe have a small rebound up. So that was my mistake. Okay, so in the morning it's still okay because I know that okay, when he reach here, the price is going to have a retrace. After retrace, the price is going to move up, so I can hit the bear contract here and then hit the bull contract here and then hit the bear contract here and then take the profit and then hit the bull contract here and then take the profit. So morning time it was very good. All right, so yeah, we have to check and see later. So we have about 18 minutes to market open. So let's wait. I can put some music here because I recently just composed my own background music because I'm tired of the wait for that you know the what do you call that, royalties and stuff like that. Where is my opening? No. A. Where is my, give me a minute. Is it this one? Oh, how do I add this? Oh, no. Okay, let me try and find this first. Icon, not in icon. Oh, no, not this one. Sorry. Beautiful day, is it? Oh, yeah, this one. It's a bit funny, okay, but it serve as a background music. Video capture, desktop audio, okay. Can you hear it? Properties. Can you guys hear the music? Background music? Video capture device. Advanced audio property. Active. Monitor off. This one. Okay, maybe try this one. Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, have it right now. So may I put it not so loud so you guys can listen. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, so basically what I'm gonna do here today, I'm gonna look into CBBC using to trade Hang Seng Index. So let me share a bit on what is CBBC here. So CBBC actually stand for callable bull or bear contract. So it's on Hang Seng Index. So you can see from here. So what are this CBBC? Basically is a structured product. Okay, so what are the difference between them and structure warrant and options and maybe even like futures contract? So let's talk about the responsiveness. Is more responsive than structure warrant, and also is not so, what you call it, the affected by, it's not really affected by the implied volatility, and the delta is almost equal to 1. So which means that the price movement is actually very sensitive to the underlying asset, which in this case what I'm doing is actually HSI, the Hang Seng Index. All right, so that's why, you know, sometimes when you trade structure warrant, the Hang Seng Index goes down like maybe 10 or maybe 100 points, but you can only make half cents of profit, right? But in this case, if let's say it goes down like 100 points, then you can actually make almost about like 100 points. 10 points. Okay, so 10 points is equals to like half cent. Half cent is only like, I think, how many? Half cent. Half cent you can only make like half points of profit. But for this case, CBBC, you can make about 10 points. Okay, 10 points of it. So you can see it's more responsive. Let's say in usually what I do here is that if let's say Hang Seng Index is moving up or down, fluctuating, maybe fluctuating like hello everyone, I'm Kelvin from, wait, fluctuating like maybe 100 points, then I will have a returns of about let's say I buy 100, then I have a returns about 1000. But if you are going into structure warrant like in Malaysia side, it's only move like maybe a few cents. Okay, so few cents, you buying 100, you're only making about like few hundred profit out from it. So that's why CBBC is more responsive compared to those, and it's not so sensitive to the implied volatility. We know that warrants or maybe options, they have implied volatility, so they will change every time. So when it change every time, then it's gonna affect the pricing, okay, and also the sensitivity. So that's why it's more difficult to trade that. Like for example, I have done one last time when structure warrant Hang Seng that goes down like a lot more, and then I only make like 1 cent of profit. So it doesn't worth it, I find. All right. So, and of course, that is the profitability side, is more responsive, and then of course it has the same features like structure warrant, where it's limited to the amount that you trade, the risk. Okay, so that's why like for example, CBBC wise, I can show it to you guys. Like for example here, okay, let's say I look into market. This is the M Plus Global app. So I click on this CBBC. So you can see, some of you might think that those with the hash are CBBC. Okay, I trade Hang Seng, so I look into this Hang Seng, and then I click into the warrant. Yeah, these are CBBC over here. So if you look at it, you can see some of it is only like 12 cents or 7 cents or maybe 2 cents or maybe 3 cents. Some of you might think like, Kelvin, are you sure this is so cheap? Okay, it's like a penny share. Well, one thing I need to correct every one of you is that when you look into stocks, individual companies, then if they are penny shares, like few cents, then you have to worry. But this is a structured product. So when a structured product, they have an underlying asset. This CBBC, the underlying asset is Hang Seng Index. So are you saying that you're buying like 2 cents or 3 cents of this CBBC or the bull contract, or and the underlying is Hang Seng Index, is dangerous? Is it going to collapse and things like that? Hang Seng Index, if let's say it collapse, basically Malaysia, we are doomed. Okay, so that's why this is the thing that I find that is interesting and is fun, is because it doesn't cost much. It's only costing like few cents, and the minimum of it is 10,000 lot So which means you're buying this for, if let's say you buy one lot for this, the lot size is what, 10,000 units. You're buying one lot, 10,000 units of it, you are only using 120 Hong Kong dollar. So if you convert it into Malaysia ringgit, it's about 80 ringgit. Okay, maybe 180 ringgit, or maybe around 60 or 70 ringgit. So with such a small amount to trade and to get returns of about maybe 30%, 40%, or sometimes I tried before 70 over percent per day. Why not, right? Okay, so it's something that is good that you can try it out. But one thing you have to be careful is that you can see they also have the expiry date, but they have the strike price over here. One thing is, if let's say Hang Seng Index reach near to the strike price, let's say about like few more points to the strike price, then this bull or bear contract will be killed. Okay, so we call it Q. So it's like let's say right now Hang Seng Index, you can see from here is 19,327. So if this strike price is 19,900, because this is a bear contract. So bear contract, you are buying, you are expecting the Hang Seng Index to go down. So if the Hang Seng Index goes up, then hit the strike price, then this CBBC over here, this bear contract, it will be terminated, it will be suspended. All right, then it means that, okay, that's all, whatever you have traded in this CBBC will be zero. Okay, so it's not always back to zero, but sometime you still get back the residual value, some of the cash value. So it depends on the price movement of it. Okay, so I think today will be a very interesting day for us to trade this. Okay, so basically this is CBBC. You can watch some of the videos that we have, okay, and then you will find more about it, like the one that I posted yesterday, how we do the trades from there. I can't put the share the video here, but it's okay. Right, so let's look back into the market right now. I press tab to go back to my chart. Okay, so this one, we are waiting about 6 more minutes to market open. What I will do is I'll be back at 9:30, and then we're gonna watch Hang Seng Index and analyze how it goes. All right, so what we did, maybe I can just show it to you guys. What we did yesterday was the trade. So you can see how wonderful CBBC it is. I know like a lot of people will think like, not sure about this and stuff like that. So you can see the trades that we have done. 250 Hong Kong dollar, 750, 700 Hong Kong dollar, 100 Hong Kong dollar. And these are using about 3,000 plus Hong Kong dollar. In ringgit is only about like 1,000 plus, or 1,005 or 1,006 like that. So it's not that expensive, and it's a high return thing, right? So you guys look into it. I know that's, for Malaysian to accept something that is new to Malaysian is a bit difficult, but this is not new. Okay, since 2006 they already have this derivative out. Okay, I'll be back. Let me make a cup of coffee for myself first. All right, so let's see. Sorry, no sound. Yeah. Hello, I'm back. All right. So Hang Seng Index, Hang Seng Hong Kong market open. So right now I won't do any trade first, okay, because I'm not going to speculate whether it's going to go up or down. So wait, let me get ready my things here. Okay, app, everything done. So let's see. Okay, I'll analyze the first 30 minutes until 10 o'clock and see where is the direction is set. So why do I have this price range over here is basically benchmark, okay, to see whether the how much is the fluctuation today. So we are expecting there will be 400 points of fluctuation in Hang Seng Index. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna check and wait and see. So for those of you who want to trade the CBBC, at the same time, I will find any of the CBBC that is for Hang Seng Index that is good. So far, we have this over here. A few things that have to make sure of is the strike price, make sure that it's not too near to the current price movement. Always have set a buffer there. And second thing is that we need to make sure that the leverage is high. So this one leverage is only like 7.64, is not so great. This one 159 leverage, that is great. Wait, let me use. Okay, and the conversion rate, make sure the conversion rate is about like 10,000 over here. If let's say 15,000, there are some are 15,000, so 15,000 not so great. So yesterday I traded some of the CBBC, is 15,000, so it's too much. So it's not so sensitive to the price movement of Hang Seng Index, right? So this one I just put it aside first, and then we check price movement here. So it has a gap up of today, how many? Yesterday closing was around this area. Out to here, there's about 300 points of gap up. So that's a bit too high, but we see how it goes. We're gonna monitor. I'm using 1 minute charts over here. So let's check. So if let's say after this, you want to find out more about how to trade this CBBC in Hong Kong exchange, you can open a trading account in this this side. Okay, this link, this QR code over here, you can scan, or maybe look at the description box. There are link there, so you can have a look. So my brokerage fees for myself to my client who wants to trade CBBC is 0.15%. The reason is because I will be sharing on this CBBC how to trade and stuff like that. Okay. And we can see price slightly marking higher. Have to wait. Right now it's 35, so 5 minutes after. So far we can see the price is up. We want to see whether it's set which area it goes. I think today is only one direction. One moment, I need to get my stuff. Okay, so let's see, price are going down. Don't get too, you have to be patient. Patiently wait for where is the price is going to move. If it's down, then down. Let it go down first. It set a new low from here. So if it's going down, then I'm gonna wait for the price to have a rebound first. So in this, usually in this timing, what I'll do is I'll check what are the possible CBBC that I can look at it. So in the M plus global, what you can do is you can, in the market, so you can click Hong Kong and then look for, no, Hong Kong, and then click Hang Seng Index, then click the warrants. So you will see those with the hash are the CBBC, callable bull or bear contract. Those with the tag alias over here like this at EP, these are the structured warrants. So I'm not going to touch on the structured warrant. So let's see. Right now the price movement, this is a call. I think most likely I'm going to look at the put. So put here, the strike price 19,800. So is 19,800. Wait. 19,800. So it still have about 500 of points of buffering. So it doesn't have a bear queue if let's say we use this one. But let me check first. The leverage 37.14. This is put. Call is 42. Put is 34. So this one is the best one overall. 37 of the leverage. So I will look at this put if let's say the price are going down. Hang Seng is going down. If it's moving up higher, 800 points of 500 points. So this one strike price is still far away. These two are still far away. Strike price. The leverage 42.92. These two are about the same. $10,000 or so. This is very near. So you don't have to worry that it's not enough of you can't sell or anything or not active. You can see the volume itself is billions. 5 billions, 4 billion turnover is about like 200 over million. So it's a huge market. So it's not like the structured warrant in Malaysia where you can only see those that is near to the expiry date, then only is active. Call wise, I haven't decided. 42, maybe I'll go for this one then. Let's see which one. Okay, both are 45. Okay, if it's what, then I'll look into this. So I found the one that I want to trade, or sometimes I can go for a cheaper one. 14 million turnover is still okay. Never mind, we go for the top one. It's okay. So once we have checked this, we know what we want. What are the CBBC that we want? You can see it's up at this point. Call. If it's marking higher, then we go for the call. If let's say going down lower, we go for the put. Put, like, I'll put it easier, it's a bear contract. Bear contract means that you are thinking that Hang Seng Index is going down in a bear direction. Same market, Hang Seng Index, warrants. Let's just wait. So right now it's 9:41. can see Hang Seng Index still moving up and down like this. You want to see which way are they going? Yeah, sometimes they will press the price down first, then before they move up higher. Seems not bad right now. $644. Put it here easier. So you guys can have a look. So how do I know the direction is basically see whether the price are setting higher high or lower low. Of course, another thing that we have to watch is the price movement. How sensitive is it as well? As long as we have the benchmark of today, how far the price is going to fluctuate, then it's easy for us to know like where is the price movement is like the peak of the price or maybe the bottom of the price. But of course, it's still a benchmark. It's only for a benchmark. You can't really use everything to... You can't use that to decide for entry or anything. The entry or anything, you still need to look back into the price movement. Is the background music too loud? Let me know. If it's just okay, also let me know. You can type in the comment section. Or anything you want to ask, you can ask in the comment section. Okay, so feel free to ask. Don't feel shy. So if I don't know, then I'll say don't know. If I know, then I'll tell you. So right now is, what time is it? 9:44. It's not set yet, so we can see the price movement is still a bit of this. Hang Seng Index right now. I prefer to use 1 minute for Hang Seng Index. I'm not using 1 minute for everything, okay? Even like for Malaysia market, I use 5 minutes because 5 minutes is more easier to see. Of this. Okay, we can see the price is up and move back down. Up, 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 down, up, down. It's 45 minutes. Let's wait. So how long are we going to wait? We are going to wait from here to here until 10 o'clock. Sometimes maybe before 10 o'clock, I'll start to enter into the go for an entry. It's marking back up higher. Set this to the back first. 8. Visual order send to the back. So a bit of sharing about M Plus Global. So you can find warrants and the quotes of this constituents. Okay, what are the stocks that actually cover the Hang Seng Index? And of course, if let's say you want to look into ETF, let's say for example you want to check like Tesla, then you have everything about Tesla coming out, the news, everything. So you can click into it. And if you want to find whether they have any of the ETF are holding this, or you can see the profile, all these key indicators, income statement, everything are here. So their cash flow, how they investing, how they financing, the operating, and the past historical balance sheet, income statement. But of course, most importantly, every one of us, I know a lot of people are looking into ETF in Malaysia because during the pandemic time, a lot of gurus are sharing about ETF. So right now, I'm sharing about CBBC. So ETF is mainly for longer term. Okay, so you can see what are the ETF that is holding Tesla here. Okay, so you can choose from here. You can click into it. Let's say, for example, ARK is the most, a lot of people know about them. Okay, so you can click into it, see the profile, how is the industry allocation, distribution, everything is done over here. Asset allocation, region allocation, what is the constituent, what stocks that they are holding in this ETF. You can have all this in one glance in your what you call it, the phone. Okay, apps. Then you can look into ETF. Okay, this one don't have. And what is the action that they have, overviews, what is the fees, okay, custodian is who, and then their website, okay, and what is the objective of this. All right, okay, so very simple, very nice and easy to use app over here. Come back to Hang Seng Index first. Okay, Hang Seng Index going down. I think that pretty much they have set the price, but no rush. Okay, so 48s, I'm not going to rush into anything at the moment. First, if I want to go in, it's pretty much fixed of the price down. Just when I want to go in, I'll just enter when they have a price rebound first. If let's say I miss it, then I don't do any trade. Because for me, it's always about like best timing of entry rather than just best price of entry. At least we see that they are setting a lower low from here, so pretty much fix of downtrending today. Let's wait. Although you might think now, oh my god, Kelvin, you should have entered here, and then the what you can actually have more returns and things like that. It's always about confirmation when you are trading. Let's wait. 9:49, 10, another 11 more minutes. I think it's gonna go down, down, down. How far have they gone? 153. One huge pump up usually are those retail. Let's see their constituent. Any are those that is down, up. Those down, not many down. Yeah, because it's gap up today, the Hang Seng Index, so that's why a lot of stocks are marking higher. So that's why you will see majority of the constituent stocks of this Hang Seng Index are in green, are marking higher. So this is just a sharing. Let me do a disclaimer, a sharing on how I look into this CBBC. It is not an offer to buy or sell stocks. Okay, if let's say you want recommendation and stuff like that, you can open a trading account with me, then I can actually share with you legally. All right. So, and of course, there are delay in this live stream. So if let's say there are delay, then you don't want to, you cannot follow basically. I think there should be a delay of at least 5 seconds if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. I do a snap. I think there's about 1 minute delay. Yeah, there's a 1 minute delay. Let's see how far it can go. It marked back up higher. What I can do is I can just enter into a bull contract here right now and then take profit at the higher point, but it requires to have at least 100 points of price up. If let's say it doesn't have any 100 points of price up, then not worth of going in. Let's see first. Mark up higher and see how it goes. We have about 7 more candles to analyze. So you can see this CBBC is only like 4 cents plus. So if I enter into about like 10,000 lot, it's only 400 plus Hong Kong dollar. Fast up usually is fast down. Let me turn on some music for myself, okay? It's my trading ritual where I need to have some music. Price are falling back down. Hang Seng Index is falling down, falling down, falling down. Yeah, since now we are waiting, right? Can you do me a favor? Give me a like for this live stream. All right, thank you very much. And well, of course, have extra time. You can open a trading account with the link, QR code there. So once you open, then I'm going to share with you this CBBC trade. It will be very nice. You guys will like it. Price up is not so high, so we have to wait. I think we might not have to wait. Let's see how the price movement is like after this. If it's going down a lot, then we don't have to wait. If it's marking back up higher, then we have to wait until about 10-ish. Sometimes not exactly 10 o'clock, I'll make a trade, but I will wait for a set and also a confirmation. Put. I think most likely I'm looking at the put. Let's see first, okay? Not necessary a put, but maybe not. So still have to, you know, sometimes is how you say sometimes, of course, we'll have our own expectation into a trade. But what I always do is that when I have my own expectation, then I'm going to slap myself and say like, okay, don't put your expectation. Read the chart. That's how you can try. Okay, you can try. You can try it. Maybe not slapping yourself, but you can try other ways of doing it. You have your own style of reminding yourself, no, don't put your expectation. That is what you think. So you need to be very clear of is this your expectation, or is this what the market is telling you? That day when I was in Invest Fair, then I got a chance of in the waiting room talking to Kathleen. I think you guys should know her because she has been in the market for very long. Have the educational company. So we are chit-chatting, and then we agree in one thing, where if let's say you want to be a successful trader or investor, you cannot have the normal thinking. You in my way, I put it in a way is that all the traders are abnormal. If you are normal, basically you can't make it in the stock market, in the investment market, because you are using the normal way of looking at the market. Then it's not going to be helpful. Let's wait for this candle to end. I'm looking at this over here. Put, right? Okay. So I got it in at 0.054. So let's wait and see. Because right now they pull the price up. So after they pull the price up, but it's not able to, move up higher and higher, but it's instead of going back down. So that's why I enter into a put contract. Am I wrong? Of course, if it's wrong, then we have to go for a cut loss, right? So I'm not sure whether this guy can see. So this is, oh, cannot see. Oh, cannot see. Oh, cannot see. Ah, you can see from here. So since today, the index is up a lot. Let's check the day first. Let's get up a lot. Move back. Wait. Get up from here back to where it was. Forming a lower low from here. So it's 10 o'clock, so it's fixed. Down, it's going down lower. Let's see how far they can go. Today, we are expecting the price movement of about 400 points, somewhere here. Maybe it will just go down like this and then have a bit of price up at the end of the day. Oops. So what tells me that the price is going down at this point before 10 o'clock is because you can see today the price is down, hitting down and then put it up higher, hitting down and then moving up higher again. So from here I can see they don't really want to mark the price up higher. So that's why we go for an exit, go for a bear contract at this point. So let's see how far I can go, right? So you can see the price down is very strong. Usually bear when you are going into a short selling or maybe short selling basically is very fast because they have a saying in the financial market where the bear comes in, the bear comes in, the bear, no, the bull comes in from the stairs and the bear goes out from the window. So that's why once it go out, then you're gonna pop down. But when they want to mark the price higher, then it will usually take a bit of time. Thank you for the like. I see there's one like here. Thank you very much. Yeah, so just now I was saying that abnormal, right? Normal people, what they will do is that they will read everything and then see like, okay, use a normal way like technical analysis or maybe use the chart pattern or indicators or this. But we know that a lot of people use that is not working. So you need to use the abnormal, a different, not to say abnormal, just a different way to analyze the market. Because if you're using the normal way, everyone that is using, you're not going to work well. So that's why also Kathleen say, like why 5%, only 5% of the people, traders in the market are able to work, that are able to be successful in the market, in trading, in investment, is mainly because of this as well. So we do share a bit on, do some sharing together on how to provide a better education or training to our members. So she also agree that the psychology is the most important thing, that she has a course for that. But a lot of traders and investors they don't really focus on that. Not to say don't focus on that. They are more like lazy to look at that because it's not interesting. Everyone, when we come into the stock market, is all about making profit. So people would think like, learning about the psychology, how is it going to help us to make profit, right? But in fact, it does help a lot. That plays a huge part of it to help us to make consistent profit, especially. So we are not in the market to hit a home run and then that's it, right? So that's why psychology is very important. Discipline, okay, discipline in, like for example, I share with you, okay, when I have my own expectation into the price movement, then I will slap myself, okay. So that is a bit of discipline in trading. All right, so you can see this one just now, my cost price is about 55 and a half cent, 5.4 cents. So right now it's already 60 cents, so it's going down. Yeah, come back to this. Okay, so it's a bit of discipline of keep telling yourself, okay, the discipline plays an important role when we are in trading to achieve something. Not just discipline in your cut loss, not just discipline in your take profit point, but it's more towards of the discipline to keep yourself in a third person view, okay, in a different point of view to look into the market. I will share with my members and my students and my clients, when we as a trader or investor, our role is not to participate in the trading or in the investment, not to participate in the price movement or expectation of the price movement of the investment. Our job is to be the third person view, okay, be the third person to analyze, okay, what is the market like, the market and also the big boys, all right? So how are they going to react and affect the price movement? So our view is as maybe you can call it like a referee, okay, but referee you can say by a foul call and stuff like as an audience, and audience wise, or maybe a commentator, okay, a third person. So don't get into it. So third person, when you look at it from the third person view, you can see things much more clearer. So you won't be putting your own expectations. So you know how to react to, oh, the big boys right now, they are doing this. Oh, the smaller boys, they are doing this. So you can react to it accordingly. Okay, so that is the job as a trader. Okay, so right now we can see that the price fluctuation is about like 191, so it's almost half of our price fluctuation of the benchmark, where it's about 400. Okay, so we just need to wait and see. And of course, same thing, if you haven't opened a trading account, open it up here. Which side is it? I always, this side, yeah, this side, the QR code, scan it, or maybe go to the description box and click the link and then complete the registration. So once you register under me, then I will share with you all this CBBC bull or bear contract today, what we should look into with. Okay, we have chance to trade for this CBBC every day. And one thing good is that it's not 15th of June yet. So what is so good about it? Because M Plus Global is giving out free share. So with a minimum of 1,000 ringgit deposit only. So you deposit 1,000 and then you get have a chance to get up to 800 ringgit of US share. So it can be different. The lowest one I think is the Snapchat. So it's about 40 ringgit, 40 over plus ringgit. So within 7 days you get 4%. You are even better than Along. That's what I always say. So take this free money out there. So why not? Why you don't take, right? So open a trading account right now. You can do a small fund in, and then you try out how this CBBC is like. Okay, I'll guide you, share with you how to trade with this. Okay, all right. So today this is like this. It's pretty sad. I'm not going to do any other trades from here. So we're just going to let the price down and see where is the reversal is coming up. Okay. And if you have any question on the account opening, you can always drop us a message. And stay tuned for later on. At the end of the day, I'm going to do this CBBC trading log. And then you can see how's the result of today's trades. All right. Okay. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys again next week, same time on this day trading on the CBBC and also the KLSE market as well. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.